Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. Today I want to discuss with you index number. First chapter vital statistics ಮತ್ತೆ vital statistics ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ exercise sums ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್, ನೀವು ವೈಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಾಕು, ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ಲೇ 20 ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 50 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈಗ ನಂದದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಅವರು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ನ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಈ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಾನು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. First, I want to show you what the marks carry this year, this present students. The index number carries a 26 marks. Total, only one chapter carries a 26 marks. 1 mark, 2 questions, 2 marks, 2 questions, and 5 marks, 2 questions, and 10 marks, 2 questions. The total, it is 26 marks. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 26 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ವೈಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ 26 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 18 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಟೈಪ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಒಂದು ಅನ್ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ವೇಟೆಡ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ, ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇದಾವ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅನ್ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ 2 types. One is a unweighted, that is a unweighted, that is unweighted is called as a simple anta, simple. And this one is a weighted chapter. Okay, unweighted and weighted. Unweighted is having again the 2 types, that is a, it is also called as a simple aggregate method and simple average. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 2 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ and this one is a second type is having a weighted average. Weighted average ಒಳಗ average, here the 2 types of averages we are using in an index number, that is a arithmetic mean and a geometric mean. Arithmetic mean and geometric mean. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗ ಅನ್ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ವೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ P is equals to summation of P1 divided by summation of P0 into 100. ಬರೀ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್, we are comparing a price relative here. The summation of P1, aggregate of P1 divided by summation of P0 into 100. The arithmetic mean is P is equals to summation of P divided by n. This is equals to P is equals to nt log of summation of log P divided by n. This is not having a weights, only a price. But in this, the weighted average is having a weights. This one is P is equals to summation of WP divided by summation of W. And this geometric mean is having a NT log of this. I will show you here. The geometric mean is equals to P is equals to NT log of summation of W into log P divided by summation of W. This one, geometric mean. This is having a weighted average of relatives method. But weighted aggregative is having a 6 formulas. 6 formulas. One is a Lass Pierce, Pasch Chase, Marshall Edgeworth, Dorbisch-Bolle and Fishers. Okay. This is having a, these all Fishers, and the one more is a Kelly's. Okay. It is already I discussed in the previous one of my video all the formulas. All the formulas I discussed. Just go through that for that video. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ನಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರು ಮತ್ತು ವೈಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, the first one, the exercise sums, just I will show you which I am doing here. This one, exercise problems. The first one, calculate the price index for the following data by using the aggregative method. Okay, this one. This is unweighted. Here just you observe the items is given, price is given, the base and current year. This price of the base year is, you have to consider it as a P0. And this one you are considering as a P1. This is aggregative method, means the formula we already know that one. What is the formula? The weighted, the unweighted or simple aggregative. Simple aggregative. Aggregate method, that is a P01 is equals to summation of P1 divided by summation of P0 into 100. What is summation of P1 and what is the summation of P0? Summation of P1 is 103 and this one is 82. Okay. Then just we are substituting here 103 divided by 82 into 100. Okay. Then this is a 125.61 is the answer. 125.61 divide into 100. That is this one is the answer. This is only a simple aggregate. They are asking for a, usually this they ask for a 2021 question paper 2 mark question. Okay, usually 2 marks. They are giving this data, just they ask as a aggregative method, simple aggregative. Just you are, this carries a formula carries a 1 mark and answer carries a 1 mark over here. Okay. Then the unweighted aggregative method. Second question, the unweighted aggregative method. Here the 2010 and 11. Okay. This is a base year they given, that is a P0, this one is P1 and this one is a P2. How to calculate this one? Then the same only what we calculated in the previous, that is a P01 we considered. 0 means the base year, 1 is the current year. P01, that is a 2010 of 2010. Summation of P1 divided by summation of P0 into 100. Just you take a totals of all the three. All the three you have to take it. This 2010, that is 199 and this one is a 174 and 2011 total is 230. Okay. How to calculate P1 is 199 divided by 174 into 100. That's equal to 114.37. 114.37. Then P01 of 2011, that's is equals to summation of P1, sorry, P2 here. You have to take it as a P2, we consider summation of P2, but the 1 year only you have to consider it as a base year. That is a P2 divided by P0 into 100. That is equals to, otherwise P01 antana ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, P1 ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಡ, P1 divided by P0 ಅಂತನ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, but you are considering 1 for this, once you are taking this, you are considering this. Okay, this one is a 230 divided by 174 into 100. That is equals to, the answer is 132.18. 132.18 is the answer. Okay. Unweighted aggregative method. The third question. What is the third question? The unweighted arithmetic mean and unweighted geometric mean. It's a very, very important 5-mark question. ನಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಅನ್ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ, ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನು ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ 2010 and 2011 is given. 2010 and 2012 is given. Okay, then we will solve now that this one is a P0 and this one is a P1. But arithmetic mean, for arithmetic mean, the formula is P01 is equals to summation of P divided by N is a formula. Then you have to calculate P. P is equals to P1 divided by P0 into 100. P1 divided by P0 into 100. 29 divided by 26 into 100. Okay, 1 you have to go on calculating. 111.54. 40 divided by 42 into 1000. Into 100. That is a 95.23. This is a 120 and this one is 100 and this one is a 120. Okay. Then you have to take it as a summation of log P. This total you have to take it. The total is, that is a 546.77. Okay, 546 divided by 77. How many items here? The 5 items you have to take it. 546.77 divided by 5, that is a 109.36 is a summation of P. That is arithmetic mean. This is a arithmetic mean. Then what is the geometric mean? Geometric mean you have to calculate. Then you have to take it as a log of P. Logarithms. You know how to take a logarithms. Otherwise, you refer one of my video. How to take a logarithms, I solved in that video. ನೀವು ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಂಟಸ್ ಇದೆ. 1 2 3 ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. Here 1 2 is before decimal point 1 point. This is 2 point. This one is 2 point. This one is a 2 point. Then you have to see the logarithms. 11 in first column and 5 as a mean difference. 11 in first column and 5 as a mean difference. The last pages it is given logarithms. Okay, 11 in first column. Okay, this is the first column. Okay, and 5 as a mean difference. 5 is a mean difference, that is a 19. You have to add it. Okay, 19 you have to add it for this 0453. Then it is a value 0474 you are getting. Then 95 in second column and 3 as a mean difference, that is 9788. Then 2.0792. Okay, this is a 10 in 0 column you have to take, that is a 000 is there. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 10 ಒಳಗ 0 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂದಾಗ 10 ಒಳಗ 0 ಕಾಲಮ್, that is a 0000 is there. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಇವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ಸ್ ನ. This 2.0792. Okay, the total you have to take it as a logarithms 10.1846. Then P01 is equals to NT log of summation of log P divided by N. Then NT log of, what is the summation of log P? Log P is a 10.1846 divided by, what is N? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then you have to take it as NT log of this divided by 10 point, this one you are getting as a 2.0369. How to take NT logarithms? It is NT logarithms, you know already how to take it. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ಅದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. NT logarithmನಾಗ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.03, it starts NT logarithms 0.03. 0.03 in 6th column. Okay, 1086. 0.03 in 6th column. Okay, and 9 as a mean difference. Here you have to see 0.03 in 6th column, that is a 0.1086, and 9 as a mean difference, that you have to add it to 2. Then the answer is 10887, but it is a 2 point is there. 2 point means you have to give a, after 3 digit you have to give a point here, decimal point. 108.87 is the answer. This is a geometric mean. This is geometric mean and this one is a arithmetic mean. Okay, this is the third question. Third question is over. Next, the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Okay, I already written this one. Compute. Fourth one is a very important. This one is a 10-mark question. Very important question. This is a these are the unweighted, what we solved in the previous, but here we are solving a weighted index number. This is a weighted index number. What is given? Items 2004 and 2008. 2004 you have to consider it as a base year. Base year price is P0. The base year quantity is Q0. The current year price is P1 and the current year quantity is Q1. Okay, then you have to take it as a, first you have to, for last year's past year's formulas nimge already gottada. Okay, just you have to take a P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1, P1 Q0. You have to multiply the 4 columns. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಬರೀಲಾರ್ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಾಗ ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. Okay, the P naught Q naught is, if have to solve it as a P naught Q naught, 10 into 60, that is a 600. Okay, then 4 into 100, that is a 400. Then this one is the 7 5 is a 350. Then this one is a 360. Okay, then P1 Q1, P1 Q1 is a this one 12 into 60, that is a 720, 450. Once again you calculate, all of you. ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಲ್ಲೇ. P naught Q1 600, P naught this Q1. You have to solve the last these two, and again you have to multiply these two. 600, 360, 400, then 240. This one P1 Q naught, this 60 into 12, that is also a 720, 500, 420 and 360. Okay, take a total of all this one. Okay, then P naught Q naught is a 1710, and P1 Q1 is a 1890. P naught Q1 is a 1600, and this one P1 Q naught is a 2000, is a total. Okay, first you have to multiply and write. You will get a 4 marks for this. Okay, then afterwards go on calculating the last peers, that is a P01 of last peers is equals to summation of, you know the formula, P1 Q naught divided by summation of P naught Q naught into 100. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಯರ್ಸು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗಿದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತಲೂ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. P1 Q naught divided by P naught Q naught, that is a 1710, that is equals to what this one answer into 100 is equals to 116.96. 116.96. Then the second one is a P01 of past chase is equals to summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P naught Q1 into 100. This is a past chase. You know, ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q0 ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q1 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then this one P1 Q1, that is a 1890 divided by P naught Q1 is 1600 into 100, that is equals to, the answer is 118.125. 118.125. Then come to that the Dorbish-Pohle, P01 of Dorbish-Pohle. Then you calculated last peers plus past chase divided by 2. Better you take it as a Dorbish-Pohle like that. Okay, the Dorbish-Pohle, you have to take the answers, both the answers. Okay, divide by 2. What is the answer, both the answers? 116.96, just I will write, plus 118.125 divided by 2. Just you 116.96 plus 118.125 divided by 2, just you are getting as a 117.5 is a Dorbish-Pohle it is. Then you can use a last PS plus past chase divided by 2, but for this one Marshall Edgeworth, third ಗೆ Marshall Edgeworth ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಾನು, but Marshall Edgeworth ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Dorbish-Pohle ಮಾಡಿದೆ. But Marshall Edgeworth you take it as a, here the last PS numerator P1 Q0 plus summation of P1 Q1 ಎರಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ನಾಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟು 100. That is equals to just go on substituting the values here. 2000 plus 1890 divided by 1710 plus 1600 into 100. Just this is equals to 117.52 is the answer. 117.52 is a Marshall Edgeworth. Then P01 of a Fisher's index number is equals to the square root of, you have to take it as a P01 of last years into P01 of past years. You can take it directly, or otherwise you substitute write the formula and substitute it. Then just you are substituting the answer 116.96 into 118.125. okay, and this is equals to the square root of this is a just you have to multiply these two. You have to multiply. Okay, just you observe when I multiplied these two, I got it as a 13,815.9 in the square root. Okay, after taking a square root, 117.538 is the answer. 117.538. Just you observe, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಯರರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರು ನಿಯರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾರ್ಬಿಶ್ ಪೋಲೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಶರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಅ ಫಿಶರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ 3 ಫಾರ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಎನಿ 3 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 10 marks question. Okay, this is a weighted aggregative method. This is a weighted aggregate method idu. Then come to that, the 5th question. Computer last year's index number. Okay, computer last year's price index number for the following data and give you a conclusion andara. Conclusion comment ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ price of the base year, that is a P0, price of the current year, that is a P1. Okay, expenditure, what is a expenditure? Expenditure you have to take it as a ನಾನು 2004 ಐತಿ. 2004 is a base year. ಇದು base year ಇದು expenditure, that's why you have to take it as a E naught is equals to P naught into Q naught. You have to take it as a this one as a just ನಾನು writing use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ this one is a P naught, this one is a P1. okay, then E naught is equals to, that is a P naught into Q naught. This is expenditure is given. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅವರು Q naught ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸುಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು Q naught ಕೊಟ್ಟು 2004 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು Q naught ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್, then we have to calculate Q naught. We need it because P1 Q naught and P naught Q naught. P naught Q naught ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಬಟ್ P1 Q naught ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ Q naught ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. For that purpose, we have to calculate the Q naught value. That is Q naught is equals to this one P naught Q naught divided by P naught. You have to calculate P naught ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಇದು 30 divided by 5, 16 divided by 4, 48 divided by 6, 72 divided by 8 and 4 divided by 2. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Q naught ಬರ್ತದೆ 6, 4, 8, 9 and 2. Afterwards, what you have to calculate, that is a P1 Q naught. Again you have to calculate. P1 Q naught is, that is a 42. P1 ಯಾವುದು ಇದು, Q naught ಯಾವುದು ಇದು. 7 into 6, 42. 7 6 is 42, 4 3s are 12, 64, and this one is a 90, 9 into 10, and that is a 2 into 1, that is a 2. Okay, take a total of this one, take a total of this one. Okay, expenditure ಅಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ Q0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು P1 Q0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Then what is the total of this one is a 210, and this one is a 170. Just if I have to take it as a P01 of last P years, that is a, you know the formula P1 Q0 ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೂ ನೀವು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. 210 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ P0 Q0 ಎಷ್ಟದ 170 into 100, that is equals to answer is what is the answer? 123.53. 123.53 is the answer. But they ask as a conclusion ಕೇಳಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 100 is a base year value, this is a base year, you know already. ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. 123.53 minus 100 you have to make it. Then you are getting as a 23.53. Above that 100 is a 23.53% increase in the price level. In a price level. Okay. This is a fifth question. Then what is the sixth one? Sixth one is a, okay, quantity and value is given. Quantity and value. Students, one more thing. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಎಜ್ವರ್ ಡಾರ್ಬಿಶ್ ಬೋಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಶರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತಾರ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಮಾಡೋದೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲೆ 2006 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು Q0. ಬಟ್ ಇದೇನೈತಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದಾಗಿಲ್ಲೇ P0 Q0 ಇದು. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ Q1. This one is a P1 Q1. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ನಾನು ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. This is Q0, this is a P0 Q0, this is Q1, and this one is a P1 Q1. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ again you have to calculate, you divide it, you have to calculate the value of P0 ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು one column, and P1 you have to calculate as a one more column. After calculating P0 and P1, you have to calculate the two more, that is a P1 Q0 you have to take it, and P0 Q1 you have to calculate. You already know the P0 Q0 ಮತ್ತು P1 Q1 ಐತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ. ಇವೆರಡು ಟೋಟಲ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನೀವು. ಇದೆರಡು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? ದಿಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್. 750 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 25, that is a 30. 15, 14 and 12. P1 is 32, 22, 60, 30, 19 and 13. Okay, this is a P0 and P1. Then you have to take it as a, after calculating this 800, because P1 ಮತ್ತೆ Q0 ಅಲ್ಲ, 25 into 32 P1 Q0, 800, 660, 300, 180, 190 and 52. Here this one is a 900, 375, 300, 105, 140 and 60. The total of this one is 2182 and this one is 1880 and this P0 Q0 is a P0 Q0 is a 1728 and this one is a 2335. Okay students, here the P0 Q0 and P1 Q1, P1 Q0 and P0 Q1. The Marshall, Edgeworth and Dorbish, Polish and Fisher's price index number, we have to do it here. The P01 of Marshall, Edgeworth. Okay, the Marshall, Edgeworth price index number, not a quantity, it is a price index number. Then you are writing a formula P1 Q0 plus summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q0 plus summation of P0 Q1 into 100. Okay, then you have to substitute all the values in this formula. 2182 plus P1 Q1 is a 2335 divided by P0 Q0 is a 1728 plus 1880 into 100. After solving, first you have to add it, don't divide it. Okay, first you have to add these two values and write it, and again you have to like that 4517, this you have to add it, divide by 3608 into 100. Then you are getting as a Marshall, Edgeworth as a 125.194. Okay, this is a Marshall, Edgeworth. Then the Dorbish, Polish. Dorbish, Polish we not calculated as a last years and past years. Then you have to take it as a direct formula. P01 of Dorbish, Polish is equals to this 1 by 2 times the summation of P1 Q0. The last years you have to write it P0 Q0 plus summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100. Then 1 by 2 times into, you have to go on substituting the values, 2182 divided by 1728 plus 2335 divided by 1880 into 100. Then this is 1 by 2. First you have to divide this one. What is this one? 1.2627 plus you have to again you have to divide this one 1.2420 into 100. Then you add these two. What you are getting? 2.5047 divided by 2 into 100. You have to do it. Then you are getting an answer as 125.23. 0.23 is the answer. Okay, this is a Dorbish, Polish. Then you have to do it as a Fisher's. P01 of Fisher's. Fisher's is equals to the square root of last year's formula P1 Q0 divided by P0 Q0 into summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100. then go on substituting the values. Just you have to substitute the values. 2182 divided by 1728 into 2335 divided by 1880 into 100. Then you have to take it as a multiplication. First you have to divide this one. The same you are getting 1.2627 into 1.2420 into 100. Then you have to multiply both the values. These two values 1.5683, okay, into 100. Then you take a square root outside. 1.2523 into 100. Then the answer is 125.23. This is a Fisher's index number. Then just you observe all the answers. This is 125.23 and this one is a 125.194 and this one is a 125.23. Correct. All the three a very nearer answer. Okay. This one is completed as a sixth one. Okay. Sixth one is completed. The seventh one. Seventh one is given as a computer suitable index number. Computer suitable means P1, Q0, P1 is given and P0 is given and Q1 is given. Just I will show you how to calculate, what to calculate. Q1, the quantity Q1 is given means you have to take it as a past tense. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ Q0 ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2P ಇತ್ತು Q0 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ then you have to take it as a last years. If Q1 is there means that you have to take it as a past tense. Here the P1 Q1, the one more is a P0 Q1. You have to take it. Take a total of this one. Okay. Then P01 of past tense is equals to, you have to substitute it in the formula, into 100. Okay. Here I am not doing this problem. Just you take a total of this one, you multiply and take a total and just you substitute the value and do the answer. Okay. ನನಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ದೆನ್ ದ ಏಳ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ಏಳ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಫಿಶರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಫಿಶರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. Fisher's price index number is given as a price and expenditure. The one problem we calculated here, the quantity and expenditure is given here. The quantity and value, what is given here? The value are equal to expenditure. That is equals to the price into a quantity. PQ it is given in the question, or otherwise ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ 2004 E0 P0 Q0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ you have to take it as here the computer Fisher's price index number, that is a base year and current year. This is base year means this one is, just I will take a writing pen. This is a P0. This one is a P0. Okay. Base year. And this one is a E0. That is E0 means the P0 into Q0. This price of the current year is a P1. And this one is a E1 is equals to P1 into Q1. P1 into Q1. What you have to do? The next one, you have to divide this 25 divided by 5, 10 divided by 1. You are getting here as a Q0 value. Q0 is not given. Just you have to divide this one. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದನ್ನ P naught Q naught divided by P naught. Q naught ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. Next Q1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. Next P1 Q1 divided by, that is a P1. P1 is there. This 60 divided by 10, that is a 6. 24 divided by 2, that is a 12. Like that, you have to calculate. Afterwards, what you are doing? This is there and P naught Q naught and P1 Q1. Don't calculate. Only you have to calculate P naught Q1 and P1 Q naught. You have to calculate this one. Okay. Take a total of these two and take a total, and Fisher's price index number, you have to substitute it. Just you tell me 7th and 8th. You write, you calculate and comment the answers. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎರಡೂದ್ರದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದ 7th one is a computer Kelly's price index number. Computer Kelly's price index number. Then the what is given? The price of 2010 and price of the 2012 is given. Price of 2010 is a P0 and price of the current year is P1. Okay, both price only. Mat ನೀವು Q naught ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Price of base year and price of the current year. This is a quantity, that is a Q is given. Quantity ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇಯರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. 2010 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, 2012 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Only the quantities. You have to quantities of consumption. Then what is a Kelly's? Then you have to P01 of Kelly's is equals to summation of P1Q divided by summation of P0Q into 100. Then you have to take it as a P1Q P0Q. You have to take a totals and you have to substitute here. Then I calculate this one, ninth one I calculated. This is a P1Q. P1Q is a 12 into 20. That is a 12 into 240. 240, 270, okay, 100 and 350. Okay. Then this one P0Q is 200, 15 into 16, 240. This 10 into 9, 90. And this one is a 275. Okay. Then you have to substitute the values. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay. What's the total P1Q? P1Q is, the total is 960. This one, and this one is a 805. Just you substitute here the 960 divided by 805 into 100. Then the answer is 119.25 is the answer. 119.25 is the answer. Okay, this is a 9th problem, Kelly's. Usually it is a 5 marks question. 5 marks important, Kelly's. Okay, then the 10th one. 10th one is, what is given? Just I will tell you what is given. 10th one, computer index number for 2009. For 2009 and 2010 with the base 2005. This is Q0. Okay. Price is, the price is P0, P1, P2. P0, P1 and P2. Okay. What if I have to take it here? Q0 is given, means that is a This is a last year's only. But the price index number 2 is given. Okay, P1, P2. Just you have to, once you have to calculate 2009s and one current year you have to calculate it as a 2010. Okay, then here you have to calculate the next is P1 Q naught, P2 Q naught, P naught Q naught. Okay, then P1 Q naught is P1. What is P1? P1 is this one. Okay, 150 into 10, 1500. Okay, next 200 into 5, 1000, and 440. This is P2Q. P2 into Q naught. 220 into 10, 2220, 2200. Then 1250. Okay, then 500, this one. And P naught Q naught is this P naught and this Q naught. 140 into 10, 1400. Okay, next is the 150, 150, and the last one is a 200. Okay, take a total of all the three and calculate. All the three total is P1Q is 2940 and P2Q is 4950 and 2250. Then you have to calculate a last years only because Q naught ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು last years ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನಾ ಹಗಲೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Q naught ಕೊಟ್ರೆ last years ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ. For 2009, for a year 2009, last years P01 of last years is equals to summation of P1 Q naught divided by summation of P naught Q naught into 100. Okay, and then P1 Q naught is to the 2940 divided by 2250. Then the answer is 130.67 into 100 is equals to 130.67. This, the one more is P01 of last years is equals to P02 of last years is equals to, because 2010 alla year. Okay, summation of P2 Q naught divided by summation of P naught Q naught into 100. Then you have to substitute the values. 4950 divided by P naught Q naught. What is a P naught Q naught? That is a 2250 into 100. That is equals to, the answer is 175.55. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಭಾಳ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2009 and 2010. The difference is, the price difference is there. Okay, this completes the 10 problems. In the next video, the next, ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 10 ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 11th one is having a weighted, that is that is arithmetic mean, weighted average it is. Arithmetic mean and weighted geometric means is there. The quantity index number, value index number and cost of living index numbers. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಬಟ್ 7th and 8th ನಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. 10 marks, it's also clear. Okay. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದು ಇಂಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ all chapters exercise sums. Okay students.